What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I always need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all of the content, bell icon, all that good stuff. Let's get all the numbers up, the views up, all that good stuff. But yeah, let's just get into this one. We know this is my favorite silhouette. I love these trainers. I've got so many pairs, it's a joke. Do I have another favorite Air Max runner-up? Nope, nothing comes close. Red and white sportswear box. As always, it's getting boring now, to be honest. I've got so many of these boxes. I've had enough. I need to change. Please, Nike, hear me out. Let's have a look at the label. The label says Nike Air Max 95, and the colorway for these is cargo khaki / white, which is a bit odd because they actually have black on them as well. So I should say cargo khaki black white. But yeah, that's up to Nike. Size US 11, UK 10, centimeters 29. BR 43, Euro 45, and code is DZ4511300, and they are made in Indonesia. So I bought the other pair from Nike. So the other pair, that's a different colorway. Everyone's seen them with the same type of design, but it's just a black and royal blue. Or yeah, black and blue version. I actually didn't get a chance to pick up the previous khaki or green drop that they did in the Air Max 95, and I was like annoyed just because I just didn't get them at the time. I don't know why. I usually buy like mostly black, white, grey pairs, but these I had to get, and especially because they went on sale and I managed to get them below retail. So they were actually £100, which I prefer. You know, £100 is way better than 170, which they are these days. I do have a bit of you know, a bit of complaints about some bits on these, but we'll get into that in just a moment. So we'll go to the bottom. We've got all black sole with the white and grey kind of spine, whatever you want to call it. That's on every single pair of Air Max 95s. Midsole is all black, just plain, normal, standard black. What is, you know, it still needs to kind of grow on me a bit. I'm not sure why they did it. It was those white air bubbles. Well, you know, to match the swoosh and the back. But I don't know, man. Maybe if they changed that, they'll be a bit, you know, they'll pop more. I don't know, probably black swoosh, khaki green bubble or something like that. Black bubble, black swoosh, you know. I don't know because I didn't design them, or I haven't seen what they will look like. Maybe that will be a bit better. I'm not too sure, to be honest. They do look kind of odd, but they are really nice on foot, I can't lie. So, you know, it's just a little complaint, but I'm happy with them the way they are. Then we've got the layers, the panels. We've got that slightly tumbled styled leather on the bottom. And then we've got a smooth leather next one up. Then we've got the same one, so the same little tumble style leather with the white embroidered swoosh. I do like the dual swoosh, which is like the plasticky one, but I don't mind either. Like, I'm not really that fussy. Then one bit I really like on these is the 3M on the top with all the little swooshes in it. So it really does show at the moment with the camera, so I'm happy that everyone can see, you know, the details. Then we've got the khaki mesh, that same leather again, leather toe box. I don't know why people hate the leather toe box, if I'm honest. I think the leather toe box is the best. Reason being, you know, all the other materials, it kind of like gets messed up, gets scuffed or whatever, but the leather is the best in my opinion. Then we've got another khaki green, but it's like slightly darker, I don't know, military green or something. Like you can really tell the differences between the greens, you know, on the camera, which I'm really happy about. It does show. Very nice though, so I do like the contrast. So you can see that the lace loop's a bit darker, the mesh behind there's a bit darker, the tongue slightly darker as well, and also the laces. Then we've got that good old classic Air Max logo, this time in white and khaki. Love to see it. And then on the inside, you know, the same to same as always. And then we've got, obviously inside, we've got the Air Max with the little white lettering, white swoosh, white Air Max, and then on the back Nike Air. So everyone, you can see what I mean by that. You know, the white air bubble really like pops out. It's really, you know, you can actually see it, like the details of the air bubble. So you can see there's a hole, there's some splits. You can see the splits there, like it's very visible. You can see again the little holes again. It does show you like in detail kind of like a bit more of what's there, but definitely if they were different color I wouldn't mind. But I really like this shoe colorway. Like the green is so nice, especially in person. I wore them with just black joggers and they look so good because of the black midsole. Definitely can wear these with like a khaki tracksuit, that would look good. And what I love is you can wear them in the winter and in the summer. Summer it might be a bit different because, you know, if you wear darker shoes in the summer, like not white, cream, beige and them type of colors, you know, you might not want to wear this, but I think it will look good regardless. But yeah, that's it. Just a short, sweet review of my latest Air Max 95 pickup. Love it. Can't complain, even though I have a bit. Love it, to be honest, man. I love this pair. I feel like I want to get another pair, but I have to control myself to not double up sometimes. But yeah, definitely love these. Definitely rate them highly. Probably I'd say 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10 even, just because I like them that much. Don't really have anything else to say. No more complaining from me. Make sure you check out every single upload, every video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, check out all the drops. Click the bell icon. You know, 5 p.m. every other day. You'll be notified of when I'm going to drop another video. Stay active, and most importantly, take care, people.